Welcome back to 2 Minute Tuesday, where you ask me questions and I answer them. If it's your first time on this channel, my name is DevanOnDeck, and here we're all about empowering you to create better content in men's style, and more specifically, smart casual style. So we're not too far on the streetwear side, we're not super on the dapper side, but right in the middle. So if that sounds good to you, hit that subscribe button, please. And if you've already joined the family, I appreciate you. Now, today's question comes from Monique Nicole via YouTube, and she asks, I'd love to see you do a video on tasteful male jewelry, how men can add them to their wardrobe, key pieces to own, types of outfits, etc. Thank you so much for your question, Monique, or really more so a video request. And fellas, I actually have the opposite for you. I'm gonna give you 3 things to avoid with your jewelry. And the first one is balancing out your outfits. You can't throw that off. You gotta make sure you stay on point with that. So if you're more of a flashy guy, you like to wear more bright colors, more patterns, you're more bold, you don't mind getting attention, then tone down the jewelry, okay? Now for me, since I keep it really simple, I'm more of a smart casual guy. I don't do really patterns a whole bunch. I keep things really solid and really clean. Then with my jewelry, I go a little bit more outside of the box. You guys know I like to stack my bracelets. You see they're pretty solid pieces for the most part, just like my clothing. So it reflects my style, still comes off minimal, even though it is technically chunkier, heavier, more jewelry, but it has that tasteful balance because of the way that I dress. Now the second thing you want to avoid is mixing metal colors. You want to make sure you buy your jewelry in sets, okay? As you notice, I rock all silver. Now when I was more in the costume jewelry, before I could really afford the real stuff, I would just get sets of like rose gold, gold, silver, because I get it. Certain metals go better with certain color palettes. Now speaking of real metals, this leads me to number 3, and that is maintaining your jewelry. When it comes to the costume stuff, if it's just gold plated or silver plated, you got to make sure you put that stuff aside, take it off when you wash your hands, do not shower in it, make sure you dry it well. If it's a hot day, you might not want to wear that necklace, or if you're really sweaty, you want to watch out with that because you really can turn your fingers green. You'll start getting like that oxidation side effects, like it'll just ruin the jewelry and start peeling and cracking. And to wrap this up, down below I'm gonna put links to all the different type of jewelry brands I like, from costume, from the stuff that's a little bit more affordable, down to the ones that I'm wearing right now, the watches I like, rings, etc. I'll let you guys check those out. If you enjoyed this video, thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Appreciate your time. See you next time.